La Paloma 10 is not being built, it is emerging. First as an idea, then as a line, then as a space where a new life is already beginning to take shape. Villa 138 is the flagship of the collection. Right now, it has what matters most: a foundation, precision, and direction. And every step that follows is guided by a standard with no room for chance. The premium materials from Porcelanosa were chosen not for effect, but so the home feels as convincing as it looks. There are only 10 villas, and only one of them will become the place where one family welcomes the new year. Not in noise, not in urgency, but in a setting where the Mediterranean becomes part of everyday life and silence becomes part of the lifestyle. La Paloma 10 is not about walls, and it is not about square meters. It is about that rare moment when investment, architecture, and way of life all align. And when that happens, you understand that this is not simply ownership. It is a choice.